Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. There are two different disciplines involved in software testing: manual testing and automation testing. The main difference between manual and automated tests is the method of completion. A manual test relies entirely on a human being to complete the testing, following the test case through to completion and then noting down any information. With automated tests, a computer program is responsible for completing the test cases after they are initially written by a QA analyst. Some automated test platforms also generate their own reports for users, limiting the amount of time that someone must spend gathering all of the data from the experiment. Instead, they can put their time into generating a fix for the issues that the software package has. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.